Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. If you're joining us from the previous video where we talked about the slip joint nut and how it creates that watertight seal, glad to have you. In this video we're going to talk about something a little different. A rubber hose that has two different diameter sizes on each end that connect two different pipes. And this might be a better option for you. Let's check it out. On the left side we have a standard garbage disposal plumbing pipe with a slip joint nut and a gasket on it. And on the right side is the rubber seal with the clamps that I was mentioning, and you will notice the 1 1/2 is on the top and goes into a 1 1/4, and on the bottom 1 1/2 in diameter as well with the clamp. So what you'll do is you'll insert this into the portion. You will not have the slip joint nor the actual gasket on. That will be gone, and you will use a flathead screwdriver to secure the actual clamp and tighten it into place, creating that watertight seal. And as you can see in this photo, in the event that your P-trap comes out and goes into a larger pipe, you can use this as well. However, if your system is set up in the way that your garbage disposal pipe comes out, there is no slip joint nut on it, nor is there thread on the top portion of the P-trap, this part will become very handy. This bottom part will go over the larger diameter portion of the P-trap and be tightened and secured to create that watertight seal. And the top part will be used to insert the actual garbage disposal pipe into place and tightened down with the clamp, creating that watertight seal. So this is a very cool part. An additional option when it comes to securing your actual plumbing and creating those watertight seals to alleviate leaks. Down below the sink, here's the garbage disposal. On the back side, you'll notice this drain pipe that comes out of the garbage disposal. On the bottom side, you'll notice the actual slip joint nut. And focus on this portion right here. This is an adapter that actually provides the thread for that slip joint nut to secure itself onto that portion of the P-trap, creating that watertight seal. Now, in the event that you did not have this adapter, nor did you have the slip joint nut, you just had the plumbing that comes out of the garbage disposal and the top portion of the P-trap, which in your case would be bare without this thread adapter, that's where this part comes in very helpful. Go ahead and insert the smaller portion diameter to the actual garbage disposal drain pipe. Use your flathead screwdriver to tighten the clamp and secure it and create that watertight seal. The larger lower portion of the hose will actually fit over this portion of the P-trap. Use your flathead screwdriver to tighten down the clamp, ultimately creating that watertight seal on both top and bottom portion of your plumbing. That's it. I hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.